Yo, what's up? It's your name? Tired of the 9 to 5 grind? Want to make serious cash online? I've got you covered. Today, I'm spilling the beans on 3 super easy methods to start making money today. No cap. Let's get real. Making money online isn't magic. It's a process that requires dedication, effort, and a clear strategy. You need to understand that success doesn't happen overnight. It involves setting achievable goals and having realistic expectations. Start by defining what you want to achieve. Whether it's a side hustle or a full-time income, clarity is key. Set a clear target, whether it's $100 a week or $1,000 a month. Break it down into manageable steps. Remember, big bucks might take time, but you can start earning small wins right away. Celebrate these small victories as they build momentum towards your larger goals. Stay patient, stay focused, and keep pushing forward. Ever watched a TikTok or Instagram reel and thought, I could do that? Well, you can. Short-form content is booming, and there's a huge demand for it. Creators are hungry for short-form content. They need fresh, engaging clips to keep their audience entertained and coming back for more. Use tools like Opus to quickly edit long videos into shareable clips. These tools make it easy to cut, trim, and add effects, turning raw footage into polished content. Sell these to creators for a fee. It's that simple. You can offer packages from basic edits to more complex projects, depending on your skill level and the client's needs. Don't be afraid to start low and build your client base. As you gain experience and positive reviews, you can increase your rates. Networking and marketing yourself are key to growing your freelancing business. Instagram theme pages are gold mines. Find trending content, repost it consistently, and build a following. Once you've got an audience, brands will pay to be featured on your page. It's a proven method. Want to learn more? Check out my in-depth video. Link in the description. Building your own brand is the ultimate goal. YouTube, for example, offers huge potential. Find your niche, analyze trending videos, and create your own unique content. Start by identifying what you are passionate about and what you can offer that is different from others. Research your competitors and see what works for them, but always add your personal touch to stand out. Consistency is key, so make sure to upload regularly and engage with your audience. It takes time, but the rewards are massive. Patience and perseverance are essential. As you grow, keep an eye on your analytics to understand what resonates with your audience. Celebrate your milestones, no matter how small, and use them as motivation to keep going. Shout out to Make Money Matt for his awesome channel on YouTube Growth Tips. His insights can help you navigate the complexities of growing your channel. Remember, success doesn't happen overnight, but with dedication and the right strategies, you can achieve your goals. Ready to dive in? Hit that like button, subscribe, and share this video. Want more personalized guidance? DM me on Instagram. I'm building a team of digital marketers, so if you're interested, let's chat. Stay safe, keep grinding, and I'll see you in the next one.